So, hello guys. Tikman na natin yung adobo ko with this. Ako lang naman. Hindi ka pa naman nakapokus sa akin. Bakit? Yan guys. This is the first time I'm gonna try the adobo that I cook. Mahap nga. Yummy. Hindi ko nilagyan to guys ng water. I did not put water guys.
Or until Luffy gets the defensive items. All fine and dandy again. Tempo gone down.
So hard to eat regular food, guys. This is the sweet potato.
Great response there. RQ committing 5 members towards the top side.
Yummy.
And once again, folks, it seems like Onyx is winning. It might seem
see guys,
that Onyx has the answer.
I'm good in surprises. How it will be the taste after not tasting it while cooking. Potato. I'm done. So guys, it's going to be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And my younger son is about to come home. It's not raining anymore, so I will let him walk. Yummy guys. Alright. Anyway guys, I'm just the one eating this one, so it's okay that I scratch my face. It's good. Absolutely yummy. Bun from IGA, the one I bought last time from my vlog, or no, from my live, and leftover of my husband. So this is the adobo guys that we cooked earlier.
It's a kind of a silent killer here. Didn't really see him that much with the team fights, but
still hurts. I'm just chewing here and then directly swallowing it. I'm gonna try meat. If I can. See? I'm not biting at the front. Only at the side. The good thing is the pork belly is soft. Yes, successful. Another meat.
Because Alpha is also a good farmer as well with a true damage. So maybe Tsutsujin, this is the time for him to be able to use his advantage and be able to output more damage than Kyrie. As Toy also secures a really important item there in Malefic Board. All the frontliners wanting will be screaming in pain if he gets hit by the Detonatas. Don's bombs the wings, right wings, that's a cancellation by Ida. That's going to be fingers, man. That's going to be Jindo taking off the board. The great offense.
So guys, it's almost 3 o'clock. Welcome back to our vlog in Canada Life of Marin Sarah. So earlier, my breakfast is ice cup. I ordered it online and then I just pick up it at the drive-thru.
Also repositioning towards the Lord. That was a good cut coming in from RRQ. They know that somewhere Sabiro is lurking. They're discovering the danger. Oh, it's a nice land. On towards Tito. This time he will fall.
Almost done guys. This is my first and last meal for today. My next meal would be tomorrow.
They find the objective, but they lose out on the fight. Look at this. They still want to go for a bit more here. Arm, you can take the turn and take the purple for themselves, Kyrie. Looks like he was able to clear it.
It hurts. What more? What more for tomorrow's appointment? I'm not sure if they're gonna adjust it already and put the rubber.
And this 11th mark, Onyx 2K gold lead, and Lord is coming up in the bottom lane. The siege potential of this team is actually crazy. You have a not a melee EXP laner, and also Salvero. Time's got the down Tsunami Slam. Oh no, that's gonna be one Tsunami Slam to engage the fight on the dog.
So how many guys are you watching here on my blog who have braces, guys? Can you comment below if you have braces, guys? And where you're from? Going 2 months this July for my braces journey. June 26. Done. Dad, kasi nasamid ako eh. My phone fell. Here, can you give me please? Thank you.
It still favors on it with the turrets, but for the long lane, oh, it actually is equal. But for the long lane, RQ is leading.
My phone fell, guys. Sorry. The food got stuck. There, guys. See? So guys, today is my off. It's connected on my vacation starting tomorrow. So tonight, guys, we're going to attend the graduation rehearsal of my son. I think I really got skinny, right? But my double chin's still there. Okay, where's my cup? We're drinking now. I think I need to go to the post office. If we have letters. Because I'm expecting my credit card. And I need to call Capital One because there's another scammer who's trying to charge me again. So I'm expecting that it's not gonna be charged. It says Korean something company, and I cannot remember, and I'm positive that I did not buy anything from them. So I would like to know that it will be credited even if my new credit card is not yet here with me, because I did transactions trying if I can successfully buy from my credit card even if it's not yet with me. But it wasn't. So and then on the following day, my husband found out that there's another company, the one that I'm telling, that's trying to get money from my credit card. So after this video, I will call Capital One. I need to brush my teeth, guys. So guys, thank you for watching and always supporting me in our blog every day and whenever we're free. So this is your Maring Sarah. Sorry guys, I'm still having too much trouble in speaking. because it's very painful. See guys, even letter F and letter P is hard for me to pronounce. Yeah, because I'm not drinking any pain reliever, so it's really hard. There's a progress guys, because I did here these two, it's straightening already. Before it's letter V, like that, inverted letter V, inside letter V. Yeah, now it's, see, it's straight. So that's it for now guys. Tonight we're attending the rehearsal, and I'm so happy I did finish the cleaning of the house. Most of the time I'm only doing sweep and mop like that, because I've done cleaning the bathtub, the toilet last 2 days ago. I just need to scrub it again when I'm gonna take a bath. Yeah, the bathtub, and then it's good. And then I'm trying to fold the leftover clean clothes that I washed last week, because there's another ongoing wash right in the washer. So let's see, hopefully it's gonna be successful, because this week's vacation is gonna be busy for us, me and my husband. Yes, so for those who are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much guys. Hope we will succeed and we will reach and we will gain more subscribers. Please share my channel, my videos. And supposedly we're going to Grand Prairie today to buy a new long sleeve for my son's graduation tomorrow, but he said the one that we first bought for him that he used at the high school prom parade, he said that's good enough for him. So yeah, he's I'm proud of him because he knows now how to be practical guys. We told him to save money, because he's planning to, you know, study in college, and the course that he's trying to take a path is to be a police officer guys. So he told us that he will stop for a while, for two years, to save money, focus on his work, and I think he will be back to be a full-time crew in Tim Hortons again, because before he resigned there because he got bored. That's his explanation. So thank you so much, Miss D, for giving him another chance. And don't worry, I told him and we advised him to keep the job, love the job, because it's hard, and he knows already that looking for a job here nowadays in Valley View, in our town, is so hard because of the immigration and unemployment issues guys, especially here in town. I'm not sure if how many percentage of unemployment here now. So I think it's around 6, it's around 9, 6, or I don't know. It's just between 6 to 10 unemployment rate here. So he knows that it's hard already to look for a new job. So yeah, and then after that, maybe, and if he's ready, we will get him a credit card, and we're gonna advise him to get life insurance from Great Way that we're into. the insurance that we have. It's Ivari, guys. So if you're interested with that, because it comes with mortgage plan as well, guys. So if you're here in Canada, or yes, in Canada, or somewhere in US, I'm not sure if you have that kind of insurance, life insurance. It's there's a lot of it. If you're interested, just what do you call this, reach for my channel, comment below on my videos if you're interested. I'm gonna link you to our representative, mom, I forgot her name, Lisa Almoran. I forgot, guys, but I have her contact, so that's the name of our representative, guys. And she's doing a quarterly review about our policies. We're 100% sure that she's legit, guys. Okay, thank you so much. And then after that, guys, after 2 years, if my son has enough money, then he will go to Saskatchewan. That's where I think the course is available to be a police officer. I'm not really sure, but I'm not really yet into that, because he will stay with us for the next 2 years, guys. So yes, guys, and for those who are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and then share our videos, so that I can produce more vlogs and be able to spread happiness and positive vibes to all career woman, mom, person, yeah, like you guys. Okay, thank you so much. See you again later. I love you all.